Hey guys, it's Tara with Teaching on Lemon Lane. Let's go ahead and go over the second option that you have for these snow globe templates. This second option gives you a lot more flexibility for kind of customizing the look of everything. You are able to edit the wall, the floor, the material of the parchment, and even the base of the snow globe. Before we do that, let's go ahead and start creating it. So to begin, again, I suggest zooming out to where you can see these different layering instructions as well as your snow globe template. So we start with our snow globe setting. I click in the center. I come up to replace image and I'm going to search the web. I've already used these terms: mountain, forest, snow. You could do winter, wonderland, background. Adding terms like background, scenery, wallpaper, things like that help come up with a better search. I've included Google search terms on another page. I'm going to go with this one here. So I'm going to either single click and then click replace, or I can double click and it'll insert it automatically for me. There it is. So now I'm going to click it and I'm going to drag it all the way over to my snow globe and I'm going to line it up and insert it in. Layer 2, we come over here. This one is going to be the video of yourself that you've already saved. So instead of from searching the web, we're going to this time upload from the computer. I can see one of mine right there. Let's go ahead and do this one. And I'm going to open it. You weren't able to see that. It just brought up my files that I could pick from. So I click and drag it and I slide it over and I line everything up. If it seems a little bit big, I can go ahead and scale it down to the size that I want it to be. Next one is really cool. This is where we insert the snow. So before doing that, before single clicking here, I'm going to come down to one of these links and I'm going to 1, 2, 3 triple click it to select it all. Control copy or edit copy. And then what I'm going to do is since I've copied this to my clipboard, I can now come and click on this circle and I'm going to go ahead and say replace image. And instead of using upload from computer or search the web, I'm actually going to paste that URL that I just copied in there. So I'm going to actually paste by URL. So I click by URL, single click, and then I paste in that URL that I had just copied. And if you can't see it here, it's a preview of what's going to be added in there. So I go ahead and click replace. And we're going to watch for some magic. There it is. I go ahead and drag and drop my falling snow. Look how cool that is. The next thing is my layer 4, which is the globe. It's already there, so I click on it. I drag it over and add it on top. And my little snow globe has just totally come to life. I just need to get it all lined up. There we go. Okay, now that I've done that, now I get to customize kind of these next parts. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Now what we can do is we can customize the wall. So I go again, I single click, replace image. Let's search the web. What about a Christmas decoration wall? And see what we've got. I was hoping for like a fireplace. Let's try adding fireplace. There we go. These are great options. I'm going to go ahead and double click. This will replace that option there. It's a little bit too brown for me now, so let's go ahead and change the floor. I single click on the floor in the corner, replace image, search the web. Let's see if we can find some tile floor to give it a bit of a contrast. Here's some options. I can pick any of them. Let's go ahead and just add this one in. So I double click, it adds in my flooring. I want to brighten up my parchment, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that now from search the web. Let's do white parchment. And I'm just going to double click. And it adds it in there. And I can even continue to do this with my base. It'll be red velvet fabric. And I can go ahead and replace that. You can even change the plaque and the base. There you have it.